Okay. Good day, everyone. This is my report, intelligence operation. What is intelligent operation? Intelligence operation refers to the number of tasks such as identification activities, surveillance and casing lesson, program, important recruitment, news clipping, service, debriefing, and other miscellaneous activities. These different tasks are part of the action that go into the preparation of the intelligence product. Process of identification activities. There's six types of process of identification. First is individual. Kailangan isa-isang yung gagawin ng surveillance and casing. Tapos kailangan nyo siyang isa-isang gawin para sa police intelligence operation activities. Organization. Kailangan sa organization ay kailangan lahat kayo ay sama-samang mag gagawa ng intelligence activities para mas marami, mas maganda. Tapos location. Kailangan sa location. Pag sinabi kasing location, kailangan sakto yung ibibigay mong location para hindi maligaw yung bibigyan mo kung saan mapunta. Kailangan tama yung location na bibigay mo sa kanila. Tapos motor vehicle. Sa motor vehicle naman ay kailangan mong yung motor vehicle naman pala ay kailangan mo i-identify kasi gamit siya ng mga hoodlums na kailangan mong identification kasi sangkot siya sa crime committed without the use motor vehicle is vehicle in some phase of the crime. Yun kasi kasama siya sa mga hoodlums na gumamit ng telephone number. Kailangan yung ibibigay mo na number, kailangan mo munang i-identify kasi tapos kailangan mo pamigay sa kanila para malaman nila yung scope ng operation kasi importante. Tapos informats. Sa informats naman ay kailangan mong sabi nga dyan ay informant aspect of the identification and discovery activities of the police intelligence operation is the identification of the potential information. Kailangan yung lahat ng informant mo kailangan na-identify lahat ng activities. Ganun. Request of lesson. In general, ang sinasabi lang dyan, pag sinabing in general is, for example, general statement will introduce the topic and the specific statement will be provide more important more information about the subject. Specific assessment, for example, create awareness and knowledge on the particular topic. Kailangan daw na aware ka sa mga gagawin sa kailangan may knowledge ka rin, ganun. Pre-license, press, licensure, relation. For example, dyan sa ano na yan ay sinabi dyan ay any police organization that fails to the remember that press always has the last word of state from trouble. For example, kailangan allow ka daw sa potential investigation investigator to come across your company na naturally. News clipping and debriefing. News clipping service, sinasabi dyan, for example, sa ano sa news clipping services, kailangan mo mag-provide to research the scholar and student with created a collection of primary source of materials and debriefing activities. And World War II pilot returning to the bombing mission over enemy target were asked multiple of questions pertaining to the observation and experience. For example ay kailangan allow ka sa necessary na adjustment para to be made for future seniorities. For ano pala, future scenarios. Future scenarios. Areas of intelligence interest. There's two types of intelligence interest. First is organized crime. Regardless of the name of simplified stated, organized crime is a reality. It is not might. For example, organized crime mainly respond to the public demand for the service. Subversive activities. For example, kailangan na the act of the subverting as overthrowing of the destroying legally constituted government. Symptoms of organized crime. Yet, symptoms of organized crime. Police. Number one, police. For example, maintaining public order and safety, enforcing the law and preventing, detecting, and investigating criminal activities. The second is court. For example, a tribunal presided over by a judges or a magistrate in the civil and criminal cases. 3. Business. Pag sinabi mo ng business, for example, is kailangan mo kailangan is yung role mo is providing goals and service training jobs and driving in innovation. Yan, at sinasabi din dyan na yung kailangan sudden changes in the ownership of long well established. Yan. Kailangan daw yung business may not necessarily be the result of business foresight. Thank you. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang aking report. Thank you, sir.